you want to get the client to that, I would say, the $450 or $600 billing threshold before you start raising budgets. Because if you start raising budgets, they're going to be like, why are you raising budgets so fast? They're going to think that you're tapping into a niche that you already know already, or you're trying to exploit something.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So for example, like with me, I'm getting this new BM for my hair oil. I can't really spend a lot at first because they're going to be like, dude, this kid wants to spend $3,000 a day already. It's the first week. Like, you must know something that we don't. Disabled. Like, you're exploiting something. Disabled. Because no one's going to spend $3,000 unless they know it's going to work. Like, no one does that. So you just get more susceptible to getting disabled.
So, what do you recommend you start off with?
I mean, 50 to 150. That's how I usually start on any ad account.
Even if it's brand new?
Oh, yeah, if it's brand new, yeah.
50 to 100?
Yeah. Well, 50 to like 150. I mean, you could try 200, but just make sure that the copy's compliant. Like, the only way that you should be running on a new ad account $200 straight away is if you're using like just straight up images with simple ad copy. Something that you know at the least will not get shut down. Like something really freaking simple. That has like maybe 3 lines of text, simple image, nothing insane. Like a UGC image of like maybe a customer like with a testimonial, or like an image with a testimonial review, or like something really just like passively compliant. Yeah. Okay, so here's something that will kind of help you guys at scale that I do as an arbitrage. So I know a lot of people talk about like traveling for free and all this shit. No, I'm not a make money guru, but like there is one thing that I do that's actually really interesting. So I make sure that all of the clients who run ads use an Amex card. Okay, Amex cards don't get declined, and that's a huge hack. So if you have clients right now using MasterCards, that's the shittiest cards I've ever seen in my life. Amex, always. And what do I do with that? I just send them my referral link and they sign up for one, and I get a fuck ton of points.
Right.
Like, right now, I think I have like $40,000 in credit card points. Like, I have never paid for a flight in my entire life because I just literally travel for free. So when I make them go to Amex, I say, here, apply for your Amex business card. I send them my referral link from Amex. They sign up. I get 50,000 points within like 10 minutes. So like, you know, if you have all these clients coming on, if you have 100 clients and maybe 40 of them don't have an Amex card, you get 2 million points, dude. That's 20 grand right there and just free shit. You can go travel. You can have some fun. Like the other day, I just got $1,800 in points from like maybe a couple links. And then I'm about to go on vacation with Haley in a couple weeks. All right. What else?
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For